Okay, so this is what I've been working on today. It's not perfect, but I am pretty proud of what I've accomplished today. It has different modes. It has free play mode, addition, subtract, like add, subtract, multiply, divide modes, and then counting mode. You'll see here that we've got all these blocks up top here. If you try and click on them when you first load it, nothing will happen because you need to choose a mode. So if I want to choose a free play mode, this will open up. Now if I click on previous, submit, or next card, nothing will happen. But if I have a block on here and I click clear all, it will clear all. So what I'm going to do is put one of each of the blocks on here. And you'll notice that sometimes they land outside, but when you click on them, they'll come back in, and then you can't go outside this container. So I am going to just build something here. I think like this. Like this. I am going to put this here. Move that up there. Put this here. I am going to take this over here. Now, if you click on this blue rotate button, it allows you to rotate counterclockwise, just like you would do in geometry, counterclockwise for positive angles. And let's see, I'm going to bring this here, and again, I'm going to rotate it. You can see it does go somewhat out of the container there, but when you click on it, it will come back down. It doesn't totally look 90 degrees, does it, when I've rotated it? I've got a little problem with this. I can't move it all the way over with that because this container of it has not gone vertical. I'll have to figure out how to solve that. So just click in the middle of the block for now until I can figure that out. And then move this out here. And I'm going to rotate this just part way. So click on it. I need to do it like this. I'm going to move this, put this here. And then what else am I going to do? I'm going to put this under here, like that. And actually, I want to put my 2 out here, so I'm going to re-rotate it. Oh, wrong one. I'm going to have to move this over here to rotate it. There is a little problem with the container on the blocks in the free place when they rotate, so I will have to fix that. Anyways, just a little ship. You'll want to make sure that they start maybe more down a little bit if they're building, if the bottom of their thing here, because as you can see, I haven't got a way yet to grab them all and move them down. I will see if I can add that on, but not today. It's not going to happen today. So, and I mean, they could count, right? 3 and 4 is 7, right? 5 and 6 is 11. You could have some fun with that. Once I click on, I can either clear all, or I can click on another mode and it will clear it and go into the other mode. I'll show you how to clear all here though. You just clear all and it goes away, so in case they want to build something else. If I go into the count, these blocks are lined up and color coded, so they're like unit blocks but lined up and color coded. So here I can see that that's 8, so I would add in 8. Okay, if I had said 7 and tried to submit my answer, nothing's going to happen. These can help you move the numbers up and down just a little bit, but if I go back to 8, it will tell me that I'm right. Go to the next card. I can see that that's 20 because 2 10s. Next card, I'm back to 8. Next card, 4. Next card, I can see that's 19. I can just go to the next card if I want, if I don't want to put the answers in, and I can see here there's a running total as well, which helps me. So I can see that's 14, I can check here, 16, check here, or I can put it in, okay? When I click on any of these add, subtract, multiply, or divide modes, the count and the free play will go away. So if I'm in free play and I click on here, it will go away. If I'm in count mode and I click on one of these modes, the count mode disappears. If I'm in free play and I click on any of these, that will disappear. So now I'm in addition. In addition, this is 9 plus 0, so I'm just going to add 9 and then nothing. And I can see that that's 9, and also the total is here as well. Go to the next card. Nothing plus 10 is the same as 10. 10 plus 12. You'll notice it's making a train just like we do in real life when we're building with the blocks. If I want to take that away, I can see 2 10s are 20. Add that extra 2 for the 12, and I'm at 22. Next card, 9 plus 7. Okay, 16. Okay, can add that in, or I can just go from card to card without doing that. So that's 11, 10, and oh, clear it. 5 plus 10, 15. I can add my answer in if I want. Let's go into subtract and take away addition. 7 take away 6. We're looking at the difference here. You can see that that's 1. You can also see the running total tells me that. So if I delete this, I'm at 7. If I look at the difference between 7 and 6, that's 1. That's the difference there. Next card, 5 take away 5 is nothing. I'm going to have 12 and take away 11. There's a little glitch on here where when I have the 11 here or the 12, it lands on there. Just move it over there and you can see the difference is 1. I've got to work on a little bit of the coding yet, but at this point it's pretty good. So my difference is 1. Next card, 8 and 7. Difference is 1. So that's subtraction. Multiplication, we always count the first one. What we're counting is the first number. So our cross is going to be 11. So we're counting 11 6 times. Now you may do it differently in a different program, but in Mortensen Math, the first number is what we're counting. So we're counting 11s and we're counting them 6 times. And we always go across and up. So that's 1 11, 2 11s. And that's 6 11s. And we can see that that's 66. Scroll back up here and check. We can also see here, right? So you can count them out loud as you go. You can turn the sound down if you want. You don't have to have the musical sounds, the musical tones. I like the musical tones, but if you wanted to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as you were going up, that would be okay. And then count them. So next card, 11 times 7. So again, we're counting 11s, not 7s. I'm just going to go to the next card here. 0 times 11 means we have nothing. 5 times 2 means we're counting 5 2 times. 12 times 4, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see that's 48. We'll put our answer in. All right, if we're counting 4s, 28. Okay, let's go to division. Division, this just asks us how many 4s how many 4s do we need to make 8? Well, we need 1 4, 2 4s. And in division, we go across and down in Mortensen Math. So the answer here is just 2. It's just how many 4s did I need to get to 8. Next card, 70 divided by 10. So I'm just going to build with 10s until I get to 70. How many did I use? I used 7. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next card, 0 divided by 9. Well, I can't count any 9s from nothing. I don't see any 9s there. I can't put 9s there and have nothing, because if I have a 9 there, that's not nothing. Okay, again, if I put a 1 there, that's not nothing, so it's just 0, right? 110 divided by 11, so I'm counting 11s until I get to 110. Am I there yet? No. I'm at 110. How many 11s did I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now also, you'll notice in here, if I move this block over and I click on this rotate button, nothing's going to happen, because when we are in the basic facts mode, we want the kids to be focused. So they're not able to rotate the blocks unless they're in free play. All right, so let's clear all. Let's actually go into all modes. And so now I've got subtraction, which is the same as 6. You can see that there if you want, or the kids can just count it. Oh, now I've got division. I'm counting by 8s till I get to 32. Oh, I went one too many. I only needed 4, and I had put 5 down. 2 plus 10. You can see that's 12. If you wanted, you could move it around and still see that that's 12. Let's go to the next card. 5 take away 2. You can see that the difference is 3. And now 5 times 5, so we're counting by 5s 5 times. 10 times 12. That means we're counting 10, 12 times. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Also, you can add another 10 like that, but that's one too many. So that is 120, 10, 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. You should probably count on the edges, but I did not do that. Next card, 11, take away 4. That's 7. 10 take away 2. That is 8. And again, you can't count ones from nothing, because when I put a 1 here, there's something there. Okay, let's see. You can also just do multiplication and division. So 60 divided by 6, we're building 60 with 6s, so we're going to count 6s till we hit 60. How many did we use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, I could have done this and put 1 down and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how many it took to get to 60. Okay, 1 times 7. So here we're counting 1s. If I want, it's actually easier. I'm going to clear this. It's easier with the 1s because they're smaller to count. Just click on these. And we needed 7 to get to 7. Maybe we want to just do addition and multiplication. So 7 times 3, 1, 2, 3 7s, 21. 4 plus 2, 6. 8 times 2, so we're counting 8s 2 times. That's 16. Maybe we want addition and subtraction. 8 take away 8. Well, we can either put an 8 under there to see the difference between 8 and 8, which is nothing. Or we could put, let's just clear it all, and put an 8 on and say, well, we're going to take away 8. So take away 8. You still have nothing. 11 plus 5 would be 16. If you want, you can replace this. Oh, sorry, I added another one. You can replace this 1 and this 5 with a 6 because that's the same. 12 take away 6. I put the wrong one here. It should be 12. Hang on, clear. I put 16. It should be 12 take away 6. I was wondering why that 6 was there. And you can see the difference is 6. So we put 6 there. 7 take away 2 is 5. And if you wanted to look at it differently, you could put the 5 there, right? 7 take away 2 is 5. Well, if I put the 5 there and I get rid of the 2, I'm going to see that 7 take away 5 is 2. So maybe we want to do multiplication and division instead. So 4 times 8, it means I'm counting 4s 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you can skip count. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. Counting 4s is all we do. So 32. Also, you can see the total there. If I take away a 4, you're going to see I'm at 28. I'm at 24. So you can count backwards too, right? Until there's nothing left. So you can subtract. And you can see that I subtracted 8 4s. Okay, 6 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Or we can do 6 once, 6. 6 twice, 12. 6 3 times 18. 6 4 times 24. 6 5 times 30. 6 6 times 36. Oh, I went too many. I didn't need to count it 6 times. I only needed to count it 4 times, so 24. So again, you can delete or remove blocks if you put too many on. Maybe I just want to do addition and dividing, or subtracting and dividing, right? So here it just says I'm building by 7s till I hit 84. How many did I use? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I needed 12. Next card, 20 divided by 2. I'm just counting by 2s till I hit 20. Well, I'm going to, if I count them, I'll know I counted 10 of them. There's 10 here. Now I'm going to be on subtraction because that's what I've chosen. 9 and 8. My difference is 1. All right, so that's pretty much it. That is what I've accomplished today. So it will either go up on my website, probably tonight it'll go up on my website on a page where you can access it, but at some point that page will probably go behind a private wall, which means that in order to access it, you will have to sign up as a member on my website to see it. But probably for a few days, maybe it'll be up. Couple days, I don't know, couple days, few days, a week, we'll see. It'll be up and you can access it and play around with it until I put it in behind a sign-in wall. Okay, so that's it. I hope all you guys try it out and enjoy it. Also, feedback. Please, if you see things that aren't working, let me know. If you see things that could be different, let me know. This is my really first little app I've built. I've built the blocks before and you can move them around on the website, but this is, I think, a lot cooler. All right, good night, everybody.